Hey there fellow creators, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard software for video editing. Get ready to take your video editing skills to the next level as we unlock the tips, tricks, and the techniques that is used by the pros. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the advanced editing techniques, let's make sure we have a solid foundation. So in this section, we will cover the essential settings and preferences to optimize your video editing experience. The first step is to select your workspace that makes it easy for you to edit. You can select your workspace by the window. Here, select the workspaces. And here you have tons of options that you can choose from. You can use the pre-made sections from here. For example, if you want to do the editing for the audio only, you can select this option. You can add your audio. You can also make some customization to this one. You can use the slides to increase or decrease the size. Here's the audio slider that you can use, or if you want something to delete, just right click on it and click on close panel. Again, if you want to choose the editing for the vertical videos, just select this one. And here select the audio or the video that you want to edit. Add it on your timeline. Select your sequence and make it to the vertical. Yeah, my bad, I just made the mistake. That is 720p. Select your video. And just like that. And for the landscape videos like you do for the YouTube, you can use the essentials. Also, you can change the sequence. And just like that. Also, there's one more option here. You can select the sequence settings. Here, write 1920 and 1080 for the landscape videos and hit OK. Select the video, go to the effects control and use this option. Now let's add some more of the videos. Now let's add this video in here. There's one more thing that I want to make sure that you know of that. You need to go to the edit and here select the preferences and go to media. By default, in the media section, the default media scaling is set to none. I suggest you set it to the frame size. Let me show you what happens if you don't select this one. Suppose if I add this video in here, you see the video resolution is about 1280 into 720. So when I put it on my timeline and the sequence is about 1920 into 1080p, so this will not fit all of the screen. For that, you need to right click on it and set to frame size. And if you add multiple videos here, you need to do it. You need to do it individually for every single one of them. So let's delete all of these. Go to the edit, go to the preferences, go to the media, and here select the default media scaling to set the frame size. Hit OK. Now let's add our videos. You see the video is automatically stretched and came to the size of your frame. Also, you can use the effect controls and increase the size just like that. Also, you can save your time by using the customization. You can use the tool from here on the left side. This one is the selection tool. Or you can also select the eraser tool just by pressing C. You can access the selection tool by pressing V. You can also change these shortcuts by using the preferences. Go to the edit and click on keyboard shorts. Here you can learn which tool is selected by the shortcut. Here you can see which shortcut key that you can use to select the tool. You can scroll down to find tons of options that you can choose from. This saves tons of time for you, so you make sure you use all of these. You can select the eraser tool. If you want to delete this one, just click on it and change it. And just like that. And once you're happy with it, just click on OK. You can also save your time by using the pre-made templates and the presets that are supplied by the Premiere Pro. You can go to the effects. Here are some presets. You can scroll down to see the audio transitions. They are the crossfades. They are the audio effects. You can use the amplitude compression, the noise reduction, and many more. Also, there are some video transitions that you can choose from. You can choose a dissolve. For example, if I made a cut in here, I can just grab it and put it in between. Let's use another video with that. I'll place it right here, go to the effects and add the close dissolve. Select the effect controls to put it in the middle. Now play the video. And just like that, you have made the close dissolve and the pre-made template. You can choose all of these. There are some wipes. Select it, go to effect control, and just like that. Now delete this one. You can also save your time by using the pre-made essential graphics. Just click on it, click on browse, and use all of these free templates that is provided by Premiere Pro. Just place it here, play the video. If you want to edit them, just click on it. Go to the essential graphics. If you can't find this panel, go to the window and here select the essential graphics. You can edit this just by clicking on it. Just double click here and write your text. To play the video, you can also change its color. Just select the text, scroll down here, change its color. You can also make your own templates just by using the text tool. Align it to the center. Use the center align. Again, align to the center. And place it right here. Increase its size if you want. Now let's add some animation to it. Just click on this toggle animation and go to the effect control. And here select the text. Scroll down to find the position. Here bring it down. Go this way. And bring it up. Now play the video. Now let's add some velocity to it. Select the keyframe. And just like that. Now if you want to save this, just right click on it and save as export as motion graphic template. You can name it and hit OK. Now if I delete this one, I'll go to the browse, the essential graphics, and here search for the temp. Here drag it down on top of your video. Now play the video. Now select this and edit this. You can change its color. Play the video. And just like that. You can also use the third-party templates and the presets that can be downloaded from an external website. And that's it. You have now mastered the art of editing like a pro in Premiere Pro. Armed with these skills and techniques, your video are bound to stand out from the crowd. And remember, practice makes perfect. So if you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.